Welcome to Marrakesh. In this video, I'm going to be your personal tour guide, sharing with you my experiences of staying in this wonderful, colourful, vibrant city. From medinas, souks, live music, local food, palaces, rooftops, and of course, Jemaa el-Fnaa Square. I will cover everything you need to know before your travels to Marrakesh, while giving you some money-saving advice. And then towards the end of my video, I'll give you a little teaser of the two trips that I took. One to the Atlas Mountains, and the second one to el-Essaouira, which will be my following two videos of this three-part series of Morocco. It's Friday, 3 p.m, so from now until the early hours, this place is only going to become more and more busy. As you can hear in the background, or now see, the snake charmers are already out. There are street performers everywhere, loads of stalls where you can buy fruit juices and coffees, teas, food, clothing, whatever you want. Okay, got my orange juice. Not as many bars around here as other parts of the world I've been to, but you can still get booze here, but a little bit early for that. A guy trying to attack me with his snake. Now Marrakesh is full of brilliant cafes. But there is one cafe in particular called Cafe Clock, which I'm really interested in looking at. Mainly because every single Friday there's some live music.
Pour some in a cup, then you pour it back. Then you pour it back to make sure that the flavor, that the mint gives a stronger flavor.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad. And so as the sun rises on a Saturday morning, as the square's getting ready for the weekend ahead, what is a good way to start your trip? Let's get straight into it. Well, I believe a good way to start is through a free walking tour. Now, there's a brilliant app called freetour.com in which I found this tour that I'm about to go on. The tour's going to last around 3 hours with a guide around the city.
Guys, we are facing the ruins. These are the ruins that they date back to 1060. During the foundation of Marrakesh. And all these are the columns, they've been clearing the ceiling.
Started a trend here.
Where are you from? Denmark and America.
Starbucks.
Yes.
Starbucks.
Better Starbucks.
Oh,
Even
sure.
bigger. Better than Starbucks.
Yes, better Starbucks.
You want smell? Because coffee Berber with spices. With cinnamon, ginger, pepper, cardamom, cannelle. Yeah, it's healthy. But problem sleep.
That's nice.
You're welcome to Morocco.
Thank you. So how much?
What do you want? Tell me. Shukran.
Yeah.
Much better now with the
Shukran.
Leave 17 spice in it. You know, some families they will have more, 20 spice in it. You know, Berbers believes that it's healthier to get access to spices before your lunch, 3 hours before your lunch. Language that I'm speaking to him, none of the herbs can understand what I'm saying because it has more Berber verbs pronounced different way, and even if I have a Arabic side in it, it's pronounced in Berber. So it's barely not noticeable. When a Moroccan Middle Eastern, we swap to speak formal standard Arabic instead.
And as we're still on our tour, you can see outside this mosque these kind of pillars supporting the wall. And that's due to the damage from the earthquake.
So this is what made those people to entertain and cook and play music and, you know, storyteller and, you know, gambling games. You will see in the evening a lot of gambling games, social games, you know, include soccer game and fishing. The very unique one is fishing a bottle of soda.
We saw that.
You saw that, yeah. That's very important in Berber culture. It's a way how, you know, because the most of the Berber area, it's not by the ocean. And, you know, the only way, you know, to fish is to fish a soda. And to make, you know, kids to be patient and steady, because they give you a bamboo. You bet 5 dirham, they give you a bamboo stick, like a fishing stick with the rope in it.
And as we approach the end of the free walking tour, which has been absolutely exceptional, I recommend everyone who comes to Marrakesh to go on one. I'll be giving a generous tip. We enter through the last few souks as we head to the main square, and you can just spend all your day walking around these. Obviously you can buy absolutely anything and everything. And as we get later and later on, the street performers start coming out. So even though I've only been here a couple of days, I want to briefly talk about the food, because everything there is so fresh here. There is freshly produced products everywhere you look. And after being on that free walking tour, the tour guide said that the locals basically just buy food for that day. They don't stock up like we do back in the West with freezers, and they probably don't even use fridges that much. All the food comes from the mountains in the morning, whether that's fresh fruit or fresh vegetables. So even this freshly baked bread, I'm sure this doesn't need to come from the mountains.
After eat. Stop now.
I will.
Yeah.
Thank you. And here we have it, my chicken tagine.
Hello my friends, welcome to Marrakesh. He's a good man. Don't forget subscribe and press the button.
Thank you. I'm from London.
London, mate.
Original. Where are you from? Are you from Marrakesh?
I'm a Mazighi. I was born in Atlas Mountains.
Ah, Atlas
We don't
Mountains.
speak Arab. We speak Damazigh, Berber.
Berber, yes. I went on a walking tour today.
Where?
Around a free walking tour, and he was a Berber as well who took the tour. So we learned a lot about the culture.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. I think Moroccans, I've only been here 2 days, but so far very friendly. Very friendly, nice people.
Thank you so much. Same shit everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
And also you will meet bad people.
Yeah, of course, but
in idea, many Amazigh don't like to call them Berber because it's a rude word.
oh, okay.
It's a bad word. No?
Okay.
They like to call them Amazigh. Amazigh means free people.
Free people, yes. I see. Like nomads? Is that classed as like nomad?
Nomad.
Yes. I see. Brilliant, right. Well, this is my new friend.
Last night I pulled a bird. Let's have a cup of tea and watch the telly.
See you later, bro. In a bit. So yeah, also friendly here. Wow, what a brilliant place to eat on the main square. Snack la place. So cheap as well, and the people who were serving me were so friendly. Chicken tagine, a big bottle of water, and 2 breads for 50 dirhams, which I think is a really good buy. As you can see, the fruit stalls, there's so much competition that they really do scream you to come over. Right, I'm gonna nip back to my hostel now, recharge my batteries on my GoPro and myself, and I want to head to one of these rooftop bars back in the square for dusk, so hopefully we can get a nice sunset. So I'll see everyone in a few hours, or for you, a few seconds. Asking if I want some weed. So it's a Friday night in Marrakesh, GoPro batteries charged. So we're going to check out what Jemaa el-Fnaa square is like on a Friday night. As I said, I want to get up to one of these rooftops that are kind of on the perimeter of the square, just for the sunset, because I've just heard it's really good. But before then, let's have a wander about. I've only really walked about around this square in the afternoon, so I've got to do an evening, nighttime scan of it. What's it? What's this? Boufal! And this is the sit-down market. I've not actually seen this yet, because these stalls only come out in the evening. Oh, this looks really nice. I'm not actually that hungry yet, but I might pop down here later. Yeah, these aren't here in the afternoon. But apparently it's like this until about 2 o'clock in the morning, apparently. Or so my tour guide told me today. Some nice food here. And all pretty reasonably priced.
Obama.
Sorry.
Obama is bad for the sheep hat and the tongue on the brain. Where are you from?
England.
England, innit? I'm from Birmingham.
Birmingham, yeah. Oh, nice.
You welcome to Morocco Sainsbury's, innit?
Yeah, nice, lovely. I've just eaten, but I'll be back later.
I just explain for you and
yeah,
for
sure.
people follow you.
Yeah.
Come to say what do you have.
Okay.
This is the Morocco Tangier. This is only in Marrakesh. Look at the people. It's very happy for every day. It's
lovely.
Sama تكلم.
Brilliant. And this is the tagine.
No, it's Tangier.
Tangier, sorry.
Tangier is better than tagine.
Okay.
Inside we have beef or lamb with the Morocco spices and the black lemon. And it's cooking for 5 hours.
Wow.
You understand? And the people in Marrakesh is take this with the like same with this music for you aid. You understand?
The special one of Marrakesh.
Oh, brilliant.
And we have 4 lamb chops, we have 4 skewered chickens, skewered beef, skewers of the meat, we have for Moroccan passia, we have for the fish,
nice.
the calamari gambasso, we have for the aubergine, the galette, couscous, and this one is the boss. Mustafa.
There's the boss.
It's the boss.
With the money.
Yeah. We have the Moroccan air condition for you.
Cheers, guy. Anyway, maybe later, but thanks.
26.
26.
Thank you, man.
Anyone who's coming to Marrakesh, check out number 26.
It's the best.
In the evening.
Good evening, bro.
I think this was the stall behind me where I got a quick picture of a cobra, but then they popped a rattlesnake on my shoulder yesterday. So I didn't want that. So as dusk approaches, I drink my refreshing mint tea while observing the mesmerising Jemaa el-Fnaa square. Drums beating, tourists haggling, snakes charming. I am starting to really enjoy my stay in Marrakesh. Here we have it, my final meal to finish day 3, and it's a chicken couscous cooked just behind me over there. You can see the gentleman up there. Absolutely lovely. Lovely.
Very good. Chili sauce.
Just a chili sauce.
Chili sauce. It's very hot like this. It's spicy with lemon and with a little bit water.
And we've obviously got the couscous and the chicken. What are these vegetables? Are these like courgettes?
Yeah, it's
zucchini.
Courgette. Yeah, zucchini. Zucchini.
Okay.
You're welcome to our brother.
I would highly recommend a visit to Bahia Palace in Marrakesh. You will get a sore neck from constantly looking up at the wonderfully decorative ceilings in this 19th century building. The name Bahia Palace means in Arabic brilliance, and was intended to capture the essence of the Islamic and Moroccan style. Originally built for the personal use of Si Musa, Grand Vizier of the Sultan, a former slave who climbed up the ranks, but soon after it was occupied by his son. It was Bu Amid's reign that the brilliance of the palace was really enhanced, with the addition of lush gardens and riads. The palace costs 70 dirham for entry. Purchase your ticket from the entrance of the palace, as this is the cheapest option. It is open from 9 AM to 5 PM every day of the week. So, located just off Jemaa el-Fnaa Square, the largest market in the whole of Marrakesh, souks. And to be honest, you can't really miss it. It's actually really nice here. I mean, if I had an extra suitcase, I would actually buy a few things here. There's something about Morocco where they just, the lighting and just the way they organise everything, just all looks really nice. And the colours are absolutely exceptional. Whether you want rugs, pottery, football shirts, bags, shoes, plates, absolutely anything. So no, it's you'll kind of be walking down these souks without even noticing, to be honest. You'll just turn a corner and you'll be in one. Well, that's been the case for me anyway. One thing I do like about these souks as well, especially at the hottest part of the day, afternoon, right, is that they're all kind of covered, which is really good because it would be absolutely roasting if there was no covering. And I imagine they go on until the early hours of the morning, to be honest. So yeah, you're always going to have you're never going to be bored when walking around these souks, that's for sure. But all just really nice. Louis Vuitton, American football. And so, as I walk back through the souk, about to go and get some food. This is my last day in Marrakesh, so I'm going to wrap up this video. Don't worry, 2 more to come. One of the Atlas Mountains and one of Essaouira. Looking forward to them. Hope everyone's enjoyed this video. Bit of a longer format video, and if nothing else, I hope it's encouraged people to come and check out Marrakesh. It's a pretty cool place. I'll see everyone very soon. India is coming up. All the best.
Don't forget subscribe and press the button.